Most mornings don't look perfect, but I'm learning to enjoy them anyway. This is my real simple morning in my new space. No rush, no pressure, just showing up for myself one step at a time. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Moments with Annie. This is my realistic morning routine in my new apartment. Making a for you, so this is the paper that I got yesterday. You guys shouldn't mind this. One of these broke, and when it was raining, I had to dry. Hey guys, they just took the lights now, and I want to blend paper, so I have to wait. So while I'm doing that, I'll just make, since I'm making swallow, I'll just make my base. So this is where I was going. Dress is so squeezed, but I'm not going anywhere yet. I think I'll just wait for them to bring the lights so I can't go out like this. So I can just press my clothes. So yes, that'll be all for today's vlog, guys. As you can see, my apartment is near. Just moved in like 5 days ago. I've not really set up much, and my house is an open kitchen. So there's kitchen in the room, the room self-contained. So stick around, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please, if you're a new member, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys.